It's your opportunity to rise and shine. Be a trusted partner to the startup founder and business leaders utilizing the network data, insights and industry knowledge of Startup Lanes. It's an independent consulting post that is a franchisee agreement. You will help startups in 3 core areas. That's funding, branding and sales. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel startuplanes.com. I am More Tanvi and today in this video I am going to tell you the benefits of being a regional director of Startup Lanes. Now firstly, let's talk about being a regional director at Startup Lanes. We have awesome communities of entrepreneurs in 56 cities across 15 countries. These communities are headed by a regional director. You can assist us in building the startup ecosystem in your city by applying for this position. You will get a recurring income for life by joining as a regional director. The SL startup ecosystem is growing rapidly worldwide and you can be the leader of growth for SL. Now the question is that who is a regional director? That's RD. The regional director is a person who heads a particular city on behalf of Startup Lanes. The regional director acts as a franchisee of Startup Lanes on a long-term basis and helps us in developing the startup ecosystem in the city of the regional director. Now, who can become a regional director is the question. The answer to this most asked question is any person who matches the criteria can become the regional director at Startup Lanes. The first thing is a graduate or postgraduate from a government recognized university. The next thing is fluent in written and spoken English. Then understanding of innovation, invention and disruption. The next thing is understanding of financials. Then connected with founders and has a good level of credibility and trust. The next thing is passionate about startup. Then should be an entrepreneur or have built communities in the past. Should have experience of a leadership role in the past. Now these were some basic criteria. Now I will be telling you that what is the role of a regional director. A regional director, that's RD, develops, expands, enhance and manage a region for Startup Lanes. It is the role for RD to search, motivate and invite the entrepreneurs and investors to join the Startup Lanes ecosystem. The RD handles the business requirements from the entrepreneur for their business needs and also help them in taking sales lead from Startup Lanes. The RD leads the community of entrepreneurs and angel investors in a particular region and also represents Startup Lanes in the region. The RD can also appoint chapter director and leads the entire team of the region. It's an exciting role that you will enjoy for sure. Now the main important question of this video is what are the benefits of becoming a regional director at Startup Lanes? So let me tell you, you can easily earn between $4,000 to $7,000, that is 3 to 5 lakhs per month. Now I will be telling you few more benefits of becoming a RD at Startup Lanes. You will get a great respect and reputation in the region as this is the highest leadership position for the region. It is a well compensated role. The regional director gets both active and passive income for life. Get attention from the media and government. Also, excellent opportunity to grow the individual business of regional director along with the position. Opportunity to promote all the companies of Startup Lanes and the business of members. Trust us, it is the best leadership opportunity. Constant learning and support. It grows with the fastest growing startup. We are rated 113th in the world by Grojo last year and now we ranked number 1 as the fastest growing internet company in the world. With this, the question is that what are the responsibilities of a regional director? A regional director is expected to fulfill the responsibilities I would be telling you further. Record 1 video per day for sharing knowledge. Also, host discussion room for the city members at the Clubhouse audio discussion app. Find new entrepreneurs and investors at LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook and other social media you're familiar with. Interact with the entrepreneurs and investors regularly. Then appoint chapter directors, functional experts and board members for the growth of the startup ecosystem. Connect with all the co-workers' offices, accelerator and incubators in the region. Moving forward with the video, I would be answering that what is the time commitment by a regional director should be. Now, the regional director role is an engaging business role you may do part-time along with your job or business. You will enjoy the role every moment if you are passionate about startups. But it has some special requirements. The regional director should be able to devote 10 to 12 hours per week. The regional director should be able to allocate time at least once a week for a meeting with the potential board members, chapter directors, functional experts, and mentors. The regional director should be able to find time for the conference call with Startup Lanes team once a month. At the end of this video, I am sure you have made up your mind to become a regional director at Startup Lanes. So the last question that has arisen in your mind is, what is the process of becoming a regional director at Startup Lanes? So the process is, 1. You need to apply online, then review by SL board, then approval, which you will get from our side. Then there would be a contract which you have to sign and give us. Then you need to pay the membership fee, orientation, and then announcement that you have become the regional director at Startup. You also do not need to have an office or hire team. We will provide you the support staff if needed. So the online application which I mentioned before was, what you need to do is you have to click the link which is given in the description box and write, yes, I want to become a regional director. Then the process follows as mentioned. We also post some amazing informational videos. So if you are interested, do subscribe to our channel for that. And if you have made up your mind to become a regional director, surely hit the like button. Thank you.